Yeah, pumping.
Surf is pumping. We've come to a different spot today, me and a chart. Purely reconnaissance, maybe a bit of fishing. It's just another place with a big old reef. And some pretty hefty groundswell. It's not the best of tides, but we're just here having a look. See if there's something new place to come forage at any given moment. But there we go. Let's see what we can find. Just on our way out there, turn this little rock over. If I've got the strength. Keep your eyes out, chart. Wow. Was it worth a hernia? It doesn't look like it. What we got there? Not a great deal.
Pike spotted some likely looking terrain.
Well, there's definite shelves.
Yeah.
So, walk in, have a look.
That's a mask on job, that one.
And in here too, I think.
I think I might do it.
Yeah. I mean, this has got great potential. Goes back a long way. Could try for some prawns actually, under this massive ledge here. But yeah, it's definitely a mask on number.
I'm gonna go for it.
This is one way to do it. We find that just looking around in a shallow pool with your snorkel on, you can see in little caves stuff you wouldn't, you know, see. You've got a nice hole in the arse of your wetsuit there, Charlie. Yeah, it looks like you might have found something. This is, of course, Mr. Lobster. Oh yeah, it's a nice little freshly peeled brown crab there. But he never would have seen that unless he was down there in his mask and wetsuit. Take the torch, dude. Huh? Yeah, it'll help you. Goes back really deep, this one.
You need like a 2-meter pole, but it opens out into like a cave.
Right.
Like entrance, and then it opens right out.
Oh, looks like you might be coming face to face with another conger eel.
Oh.
Get your head in there then, boy.
It's longer than me, I don't think. I think I'll get stuck. There's a lobster in there.
Is there?
Yeah, right down the back.
Big one?
Big one, yeah.
So we got the camera in the cave, and a long way back there, a couple of metres, socially distancing, big old lobster, but there's no way we could get him out.
Normally where you find some prawns, it's a deep cave and they'll be on an overhang, and sometimes, or invariably, they kind of cohabit with lobster. So
Hey Pike, stick your camera in that holder.
in here,
Yeah.
let's have a look. What can you see, Charlie Chew?
Only a little one.
There you go. It's well, not a keeper, but still great to see.
And another little cave, and guess what? The same old stuff. Charlie has a look inside.
Lobby in there.
sure if you heard that, but he did say there's another lobby in there. So we're going to go back in the cave and look at this. There's so many prawns. So many prawns. Look at that. And out the back there, we'll have a look in a sec. There's another socially distanced big boy lobster down the back of that cave. Oh. It's just starting to flood in. We've still got time for a quick look. Under this ledge in here looks like it might well hold. Torch has run out of battery, so it doesn't really help us. It's a really essential bit of kit, the torch. But we'll still be able to get eyes on it. See what Charlie can see now. Lovely big ledge. Oh no, it doesn't go into a cave. Just check around it.
It doesn't really go under very far.
No. Just go all the way around. You'll never know when a cave might appear. And this is quite protected, this reef. So it's the sort of place you will find. That's all he's doing. Just going in a really shallow water, just looking for a cave. You can see one down this end. Well, still, nice find, mate. There you go. And here, out of the gloom, appears the lesser spotted Charlie. He moves like a sea lion. Look at him. He's just checking under all the kelp, trying to find a hole here or there, seeing what he can find. And lo and behold, a lovely brown crab. Not quite big enough to keep, but onwards and upwards. And as you can see, he's fashioned a claw out of an old paint roller. Still works. And perseverance pays off, because you'll see just right now the blue gold appears. And we're going to work as a team and try and get this big old boy out of this hole. Nice strawberry anemone there.
Well, we've got a bit of a problem with the tide, haven't we?
Yeah, we've got to hurry up. He's got hold of my claw. Throw it out your way. Got it. Look at
Teamwork.
this. Look at this.
Nice one.
Woohoo! That's what we're talking about. Oh, sweet. I just poked him out towards Charlie, and Charlie picked him up the other end. And look at that. This is a male crab, lobster. Well within limit. That is what we were looking for. Absolute belter. I probably look like an absolute idiot here, but I don't care. Look at that. Woo! It's in perfect nick. Oh yes, boy.
Nice one.
Let's have it. Woo! Charlie's going in. He's seen another one there. But there's our boy. Absolutely perfect. Don't you just love it when a plan comes together? Let's see if Charlie can get this one out of here.
Huh?
You reckon that's going to be possible?
I'll Can't see it anymore.
The torch has run out of battery.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I left it on.
Looks a bit
Yeah.
weak. I can't see it anymore. It must have gone wherever it is.
Well, at least we've got dinner sorted. We're going to cook that up on the barbecue when we're done here. We might even try and get ourselves a nice sea bass because it looks like a great spot for it here. But that is so cool. I'm so stoked. You know, always works better when you're in a team. So I just knocked that out the back of the hole and it came out where Charlie was waiting on the other side. Otherwise I would have had a bit of a problem myself trying to negotiate it out of there, but brilliant, so happy. Yeah, we might just go fishing in a sec, seeing as we've got the lobby. Gonna have a look for some new holes for half an hour and then we're gonna get the rods out. Hilarious. I have been looking for my spectacles for ages. We walked at least 50 meters away from where we were. Charlie's just found them in this hole, which I must have come and had a look in earlier. I did. So I've just left them on that rock. That is such a result. These are like 150 quid specs. Polarizing prescription. Oh dear, things are looking up. It might be that our luck is in today. What we're going to do, just going to get the tape measure out. I'll size him up. So it should be 90mm from the back of the eye sockets to the carapace here. Now my little tape measure. As you can see, we're on, well, at least 11 centimeters there. So he's way in. Absolutely beautiful specimen. Look at the claw on that. That's my claw, that's Charlie's claw. Well, I mean, he did catch it, so I might give him it later on, but you're for the pot, mate. But look at that. Absolute beauty. There we go. And the way we tell. Oh, right, okay, chill out, mate. Is these are swimmerettes. I'm not sure. These must be its sexual organs. I can't be totally sure. I'm not an expert. But when they're hard, it's a male. When they're soft, it's a female. So we don't have to feel guilty about taking this boy at all. Absolutely perfect. That's job done, that is. I'm so stoked with that. We are gonna have a nice cook up when we get back to the van. There's higher wafter. What a spot. What a spot to do a little catch and cook. We are stoked on today. We're just going to get that puppy fired up and then we will dispatch this beautiful beast. I'll show you how to do that humanely. Got some garlic and butter, a beer, dispatching knife. We are ready to go. Look at this. Rock samphire growing just here amongst the thrift. Can't remember what they're called. Thought they were campions, don't think they are. Either way, it's time to tear off one's mortal coil. It's always best to dispatch a lobster. You can put them in the look at this beauty. You can put them in the freezer for 10 minutes if you're going to boil them, but we've got the barbecue cranking there, and so we're going to dispatch this guy, chop him down the middle. I'm so stoked with that. That's a team effort. Me and Charlie really worked well together today. We're working out our techniques on how to do this, and it just seems like we can dive in really shallow tidal pools and find these beasts. No need to be diving 10-20 meters to find a lobby, but look at that. Close up, please. So what we're going to do, I see there's this cross here on his carapace, just here. We're going to stick the knife in. I suggest you look away now if you're a little bit squeamish. Okay, so, and we're just going to straight down there. and that thing is gone. There we are. Now I'm going to go the whole way down its back. Try not to mess this up. Keep it central. And there we have our two halves of lobster ready to go on the barbie. Lovely. Just going to get rid of some of this poo tract out of there. Got a little bit of seawater left, we'll just rinse that off.
Show us a poo tract so we know what to take out.
It's there. I mean, that's all its brains and what have you. Some people eat that. We won't need to. Look at that claw, the claw of doom. This is ace. So we're just gonna wash them out with a bit of the seawater we've got left, and you know they're ready to whack on the barbie now. Barbie seems about right. So what we're gonna do, separate the claws off just to make it easier to spread all this meat out on the grill, and we'll put them flesh side down first just to sear the meat, and then we'll turn it over and we'll cook them shell side down to the barbie. Pretty hot, but oh, I can't wait for this. Oh, it's been a while. Sweet. Extreme close up. Right, we're just gonna plop him down there. Whoa. One there. Stick claws on the end here. What we're going to do is just plop the top on this. Keep the heat in. Oh man, that looks so good. That's been on there for 4 minutes. Oh!
That'll be my half.
Get that back in there. That's alright. It's alright. Now we're going to just put some of this garlic butter on there, mate. Dabble it in. That's just garlic and butter mixed up together. Beautiful bit of cooking there by Charlie. He's schooled at the Gordon Ramsay food medicine. No, we won't be putting that in.
You should. Man, it looks good already, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks fantastic.
I mean,
hell of a
start.
Here, that's it, babe. Get in the body there too.
I don't think they need much more.
Right. Okay, let's get that heat back on.
Hang on, I'm just going to turn them claws over.
You can crack the claws if you want before you stick it on there. And maybe get some more flavour in, but we'll save a bit of that butter and garlic just for the end. Look at the colour of that. Oh man, life couldn't be sweeter. Cool. There we are. Happy days. Right. Woohoo! There we are. Yes, sir. Oh man. So that's a total of like 7 minutes it's been on there. It was on a really high heat. Maybe leave that
Leave them
claw on for a sec.
Give them
We'll
a
leave
little...
those on for one more minute.
Yeah.
We'll have a go at this bloody flesh. Fantastic, Charlie. Yes. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Sweet. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Not overcooked either.
Perfect.
Right. Oh man. I've been waiting to do this for so long, Carl. You can't believe how good that tastes. And like I was saying before, when you've got it with your own hands, anything you forage, it tastes twice as good as anywhere else. This is just exquisite. You know, and as I say, it takes a lot of time and effort, it takes a lot of work, but the reward is so amazing. I mean, it's the most therapeutic thing to do. You do it with your mate here. We work really well as a team today. So, you know, me and Charles just had, you know, a day that memories are made from. Totally. And we've come to a new spot. We've never been trying here before. And, you know, it's great to have success. It means we don't have to stick to our home grounds all the time. We know, and we only covered a couple of percent of the reef here today. It's massive. So we'll be coming back again for sure, but maybe on a bigger tide when the surf is, you know, not so huge, needs to be calm. We'll have a lot more time to do it then. Always an hour before low, just to give you yourself time to, you know, search an area and try and stick to one thing. You can find yourself rushing around and wasting a hell of a lot of time in the excitement of the thing. Oh, I want prawns, oh, I want crabs, oh, I want lobster. I think the best thing to do is just to simplify it and say, right, today, this is our target species. Let's spend all our time doing that. Either way, this is delicious. And, oh my God, it just tastes so good, doesn't it, Charlie?
So good.
I won't show my mother this. I promised her a lobster. Yeah. Team effort, though. Team effort. It's amazing, isn't it? Because essentially a lobster is a rat of the sea. It just eats detritus. Yeah. This lowly creature is it's so tasty. It's so tasty. Overdid the garlic a bit.
Oh, I think it's good.
But this is superb. Mother, I promise you the next one has got your name on it. It's just a long time since we've done this. And our little technique seems to be working out. Really enjoying it.
Just got to come back next time with a 2-metre long lobster hook.
Well, we actually saw quite a few lobsters today, but they if you don't get in there straight away, then they're going to retreat into the back of the hole. And we found a couple of caves today that were so deep that there's no way we could get our equipment in them. So, oh man, I forgot how good lobster tastes. Oh, get those claws out, come on.
They're going to be seriously hot.
I think we can use this knife to break them. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at my filthy hands. That's all just going to melt into there. Oh, I get the big claw because I spotted the beast. But as I say, we worked as a team. I flashed it out the back. Charlie was there to grab it. Right. I'm going to try and pull this out. Well, no, I can't do that. that is out. Pulled the feather bone straight out of it. So hopefully now we can just pull this out of here. Look at that. There we are. One whole lobster claw. Oh. Oh. Mm. It's so perfectly cooked too, Charlie.
It is perfect.
Certainly not hard or... Oh man. Oh. How privileged are we, mate?
Pretty good.
Well, you know, this is the start of our journey. And hopefully we're going to get better and bring you some really cool videos. Show you what's possible. So, no need to watch us eat anymore. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you soon with some more. Alright? Cheers, folks. Bye-bye. Oh, man.
That was really good. That was better than the big one.